So in the last section, we were talking about managing our data tables and creating data models. Let's continue on that topic and talk about two important things, which are creating relationships and column matches. So go to data and go to data table properties, and let's look at column matches first. So go to orders, and we do not have any column match as of now. So create a new column match between orders and order details on order ID. Okay. So this is a common column between these two, and I'll tell you what exactly I'm trying to do in some time. If there is any transformation you want to do, that as well you can do over here. But since both of them are in the same kind of data type, we are good to go. So let's have the orders and order details uh, have a column match on order ID. Okay, now let's have a look at these two data sets. Usually we just create a data table, duplicate it probably, and change the uh, table from here in the legend. Now also let's bring these two tables together over here next to each other, and let's expand this a little bit, change this to cross table, which is based on orders. Let's remove this. So we know that in the orders we have freight, and in the order details we have unit price. Now that we have matched order details and orders, we can bring the unit price from order details into a visualization which is based on orders. All you have to do is click on plus here. In the drop down over here, choose order details, and let's first view it only by the order ID. And now let's do it. Let's change from orders to order details and bring the unit price. Awesome. So if you see 10248 order ID has a total unit price of 24 and 14, 9 and 34, which is 58.6. So this way as well, you can join the two different tables in a particular visualization. We can achieve this similar thing by doing a join, which is right from here by creating a join, by adding columns, or you can do it by a column match as we have done just now, right? So this is another way. Second thing that we're trying to do is relations, right? So relations essentially is used to filter out data in one table based on another table. So let's look at suppliers, and we have order D. Okay. So let's go to filter section and look for the column country. Okay, so we have a country in suppliers and we have ship country in orders. You see the country in suppliers has 17 values and ship country has 21 values. So we will try to filter the country in orders based on the country in suppliers, right? So we should only see the data in the orders table for those countries that are present in suppliers. To do that, what we will do is create a relationship between the suppliers table and order table. So you go here, go to orders, create relation, manage this relation, create a new between orders and suppliers based on this ship country and this is country. Okay. So let's click OK and OK. So we have a relationship now. Perfect. So now what you have to do is when you go to orders, so right now you see there are 21 values. You go to orders, filtering in suppliers, and if you see include filtering only, it will only come up to 12 countries, and these are the common countries that are also available in the country from suppliers. So if you want to do filtering in this particular fashion, then you have to make sure that you use relationships. And this is a very essential concept while you are using the security concept, that is the row level security concept. So if there is any user who wants to see only Canada data, he's based out of Canada, then you can do this kind of filtering from his security table, and he would then only see the data for Canada when he logs into this dashboard. So this is essentially the concept of column matches and relations.